Good morning students. Today we discuss valence electron and the valency of element. Now here we already discussed in our previous video how electrons are distributed in atom. That is how electronic configuration or in which cell how many electrons are present. We already know that in first shell there are 2 electrons, in second shell there are 8 electrons, in third shell there are 18 electrons and so on. Also we know that the electronic configuration of that elements. So today we are going to study about the valence electron and the valency of the element. So let us take one example. We know that suppose here we take one example, that is the lithium. We know that lithium atomic number of lithium is 3. Atomic number of lithium is 3. That is atomic number is here 3. We know that its atomic number is 3. Now here number of electrons are also 3. Now its electronic configuration is So first we write down the electronic configuration for lithium. Now electronic configuration for lithium is there are 3 electrons. So in first shell or first orbit, the capacity of first orbit is 2 electrons, and so we write here in first shell there are 2 electrons, and now here in second shell there are 1 electrons, or we can say that in outermost shell there are 1 electrons. Now this is the electronic configuration for lithium, and how we represent or how we calculate the electronic configuration we already discussed. Now this is the electronic configuration. Total number of electrons are 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now number of valence electrons. Now let us see what is meant by valence electrons. Valence electrons is the number of electrons which are present in outermost shell. Outermost orbit is called as valence electron, and here valence electrons are outermost shells. What is the capacity for second shell? That is 8 electrons, but here there is only 1 electron, that is 1 valence electron. So number of valence electron for lithium is 1. So we write here there is 1 electron in its outermost shell, that is the here valence electron. And now the number of electrons or the capacity of electrons to loss or to gain to complete its octet. For completing its octet, if some atom lost electron or gain electron to complete its octet or duplet, then it is called the valency of that element. Here by losing or by loss of this 1 electron, this lithium become stable, and so here the valency for this lithium is here 1. Okay, valency is also 1 and valence electrons is also 1, means both are same. Now again we take next example. We take another next example, that is magnesium. Okay, that is magnesium. If we consider magnesium Mg, now here its atomic number. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Its atomic number is 12. Means the number of electrons are also 12. Now again first we write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration in first shell there are 2 electrons, capacity is 2, so 2. In second shell their capacity is 8 electrons. So here we already have in 12 electrons, 2 are going to first shell, so remaining are 10. Out of 10, 8 are in second shell. Again 2 are again remains, so 2 are in the third shell. We know that capacity of third shell is 18, but here only 2 electrons are remaining, and so the electronic configuration of this Mg is 2, 8, 2. In first shell there are 2 electrons, in second shell there are 8 electrons, and in third shell there are 2 electrons. Now here, number of valence electrons is there, outermost shell. The number of electrons which are present in the outermost shells, these are 2, and so here valence electrons are 2, and also by loss of these 2 electrons, this magnesium become stable, and it completes octet. If we lost these 2 electrons, then 2-8 configuration become, and it becomes stable, and so its valency is also 2. Valency is also 2. But again problem is there, teacher, if there are 6 electrons in valence, if there are valence 6 electrons, now what is the valency for that element? Now let us take next example which having valence electron 6, just like as oxygen. So first here I erase this and write the example of oxygen. We know that oxygen's atomic number is 8. Okay, we use oxygen for respiration. Okay, oxygen symbol is O and its atomic number is 8. Atomic number is 8 means each have 8 electrons. Each have 8 electrons. Now distribution again. Electronic configuration. Here there are 8 electrons. So in first shell we write here 2 electrons because the capacity is 2. First shell capacity is 2. So we write here 2 electrons in first orbit. Remaining electrons, how many electrons are remaining? Yes, there are remaining 6 electrons. Here 2 plus 6, that is 8. In first shell there are 2 electrons. In second shell there are 6 electrons. Okay. So the electronic configuration is 2, 6. Now question is that number of valence electrons. How many electrons are present in the outermost shell? Yes, there are 6 electrons. So the number of valence electrons is here 6. But again question arises. What is the valency of this oxygen? What is the valency? Now remember, here there are 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. Now what is easy? To gain 2 electrons or to lose 6 electrons? त्याला 6 electrons देणं सोपं जाईल की घेणं सोपं जाईल? काय सोयीस्कर आहे? Yes, it is easy to gain 2 electrons to complete this octet. For completing its octet and becoming stable, it is easy to gain or to give 2 electrons. So here the valency of oxygen is here 2 because by gaining 2 electrons it completes its octet, that is 2, 8 and becomes stable, and so the valency of oxygen is 2. Here it is not similar to the valence electron. Valence electrons are different and valency is different, and so here the valency is 2. Here there are 2 electrons, Mg, outermost orbit there are 2 electrons, but it is easy to lose 2 electrons except that by gaining 6 electrons, so it loses 2 electrons and becomes stable, and so the valency of magnesium is 2. Here the valency of oxygen is also 2. Okay, in this manner we can write the valency of other elements also. So try to solve. Some examples are given. Try to solve these examples to calculate the number of valence electrons and the valency of that atom. And if you have any difficulty, then we will discuss in our live session.